Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the process of replacing the LCD cover on your Lenovo IdeaPad 81BG, you will need the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a clean microfiber cloth. It's essential to work in a well-lit area and ensure your device is powered off and unplugged before starting. Start by removing the back panel of the laptop. Locate the screws on the bottom of the device. There are typically around 10 screws to remove. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully unscrew each one, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, take your plastic prying tool and gently insert it into the seam between the back panel and the laptop body. Carefully slide the tool around the edges to release the clips holding the panel in place. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this can damage the clips. After successfully removing the back panel, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using your microfiber cloth. This is a good practice to maintain your laptop's performance. Next, locate the LCD assembly. You will find screws securing the LCD cover to the hinges. Remove these screws with your Phillips head screwdriver. Be sure to keep track of which screws go where, as they may vary in size. Now, gently lift the LCD screen from the hinges. Be careful with the display cable connected to the motherboard. Disconnect the cable by carefully pulling on the connector. If you're unsure about any step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can be helpful for those who may not feel confident tackling this repair on their own. With the LCD screen removed, you can now focus on the old LCD cover. Check for any screws or clips that may be holding the cover in place. Remove them as needed, and then carefully detach the cover from the display assembly. This may require some gentle prying. Before installing the new LCD cover, ensure that all surfaces are clean and free of dust. If you don't have the tools or the time to do this yourself, don't forget that we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get the repair done without any hassle. Now, take your new LCD cover and align it with the display assembly. Press down gently to snap it into place, ensuring that all clips are secured. Reattach any screws you removed earlier to secure the cover. After the new cover is in place, reconnect the display cable to the motherboard, ensuring a snug fit. Then, carefully place the LCD screen back onto the hinges and secure it with the screws you had set aside. Finally, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Reinsert all screws you removed earlier and tighten them securely. If you want to ensure everything is in order before using your laptop again, consider our quote before repair service, allowing you to know the costs up front. Power on your laptop to check if the screen functions correctly. If it doesn't, revisit the steps to ensure all connections are secure. With this guide, you should now have a fully replaced LCD cover on your Lenovo IdeaPad 81BG, ready for use. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.